Joe.
Hello, Jennifer.
So did you show my room number?
Yes, I did.
We're in the Kudu Trail.
Okay, go ahead. You can close the door.
Wow, we haven't stayed here, since 2008. So this is going to be pretty much new to us, too.
Yeah, if you would have seen us in the lobby.
Wow.
It was definitely new to us. We didn't remember where we had to go.
Okay, so Joe walked in, and to the right, there's the big mirror. So you can check out how you look with the barn door.
Fancy.
Lead to the bathroom. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy. Then to your left, got a closet. So one side is hangers. I'm gonna assume the other side has the safe. Yep, safe, more hangers, your iron, extra pillow and blanket. You know what's weird? The only resort that we've seen the steamer is at Wilderness Lodge.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the bathroom. Wow. Nice double sinks. Big mirror with lots of lights to get ready in the morning. You've got a makeup mirror that's lighted too. Nice storage. Blow dryer. Oh, look, we got all the products. So we've got a vanity kit, mouthwash, shower cap, soap, and lotion.
Nice.
And then, we've got the toilet, the pooper,
Toilet.
and the nice shower.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, I like it.
So-
So someone can be showering and someone can be getting ready at the same time.
Right, okay. So now turn the light back on, just as a thought. As
Light.
for the basement, when we do, if we're going to do a bathtub like that, we do doors instead of a curtain. Kind of something similar to this. Maybe not exactly that, but you know what I mean?
This is
So
really nice.
it's a possibility. Let's see, is there a shelf here with the towels?
Towels, bath mat. This is really clean too.
Yeah, okay.
And did you see the Hakuna Matata print behind you? So
I
cute.
did not. Oh, look at that. It's very cool.
Okay, so then we walk in here. We've got, coffee bar, which I'm assuming all the
Oh,
the coffee's in
we
here.
got the
Ooh,
50th blend.
Keurigs.
Yeah,
Bring those home.
that Joffrey's 50th blend
It's
is really good.
Wow. So it's a queen, 2 queens, table and chairs, dresser, TV. Let's see the lights.
Turn some lights on.
Oh, we got up lights.
Oh, there you go.
We've got scones. How do you say sconces?
Sconces.
Sconces.
Scones is what you have for breakfast.
What's ceiling?
There's that.
And what's good night? Oh!
Turn them all off.
So there's a good night switch that turns them all off. That's so cute. Now let's see our Savannah view. Oh, yep, it's a Savannah view. Oh, and I see a zebra. See his butt?
Oh, down there. Yes, I see him now.
Oh, he's walking. Or she. OMG, and there's a cardinal. My dad's here. Did you see him? He just flew from right to left.
No, I didn't.
He'll be in your camera, I'm sure, in the lens.
Well, I was zooming in on the zebra.
Well, he flew that way.
Nice.
And it looks like there's some pelicans over there. Wow, this is nice. I like this.
Some birds of some sort.
Oh, and there's a giraffe way back there. So if you look to the right of the zebra, if you come more towards me, you can see him standing there, a giraffe. It's kind of between the tree trunks. You can barely see him. And sitting down are some kudus. Oh, there might be 2 giraffes. So yeah, there's definitely a giraffe way back there. There might be 2 of them.
They might be wearing camouflage because I can't see them.
No, it's there. I can see it.
Okay, well, I'll take your word for it.
Wow, I'm happy with the location. Good location. So the zebra's walking. He's walking right in front of the giraffe. The giraffe is way back there, and I think there's actually 2 of them. There's definitely one.
Maybe I see it now, but no, definitely not going to get it on camera. He's too
No.
far back. So, okay, well,
But there's
the rest
2
of the room-
zebras now.
Oh, there's another zebra?
Yeah, there's the one over here and there's one behind the tree.
Oh yeah, I
from
see
the
him.
right.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Very cool.
All right. So the rest of the room here as we swing back this way.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, and I like this too. Did you see this artwork?
I did not yet.
Oh, we need to drop this.
Yeah, it's kind of warm in here.
Yeah.
For us, 67, 68 is balmy, nice and toasty warm. Yeah. So this room needs to just
cool down a bit.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's very cute.
I'm very happy, and I like the location of the room. And the beds, I love how Disney has raised the beds so you can put your suitcases and stuff underneath the beds to get them out of the way to create more room.
Suitcases or dead bodies.
Yeah.
But yeah, and definitely better no carpeting. I don't recall if this hotel has ever had carpeting.
It did.
It did? So this is part of the refurb, just getting rid of all the carpeting, which for me, I'm all for it.
Yeah, I like it. It just feels fresher and cleaner.
And the floor, it's nice flooring.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like the decor. I like the theme. I like the room. It's really cute. It's going to be our home for the next few days.
I'm really excited. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action. Because we're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge and we have not stayed here since 2008. It's been a really long time and I feel like a newbie. Well, because we're always at Wilderness Lodge or French Quarter. Those are our usual go-to resorts. So anytime we stay somewhere, you know, different from those two, it just feels new.
Well, it is.
Yeah. So anyway, thanks guys, and we'll see you soon.
Well, we have some visitors closer to the room now. The birds came over here. These big white pelican type birds. And then we're gonna butcher these animals, whatever they are. I don't mean we're gonna kill them and eat them. No, nothing like that. I mean, we're not gonna know exactly what types of animals these are. Are these kudu? Are these kudu, do you think, Jen?
Those, I think, are
wildebeests? Maybe these are wildebeests.
And then we have pelicans in front of us.
Yeah, I saw the pelicans.
There's a giraffe back there.
And now if you look straight back here, there's a giraffe. He's just nibbling on some dinner.